Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You can't legally bypass a product key, so start by confirming your license status in Settings. If you lack a key, choose a legal alternative. Use Word Online for basic editing, the free Office mobile apps for smartphones, or prepare to install LibreOffice on Windows or Mac OS. Once done, backup documents to OneDrive or a local folder to prevent data loss. Make sure to note file types you'll work with so formatting steps come next. Next, install LibreOffice or open Word Online and upload your files. This keeps you legal and functional. LibreOffice handles most docx files and gives offline capability, while Word Online preserves Microsoft formatting for basic edits. Once files are open, inspect headings, tables, and embedded fonts, adjust styles if spacing shifts. Save copies in both docx and OT formats for compatibility. If you need collaboration, use Google Docs or OneDrive sharing. These options replace paid activation with cloud-based workflows. Finish by exporting a stable PDF for distribution and saving a compatibility. docx for continued editing. Set default fonts and paragraph styles so future edits don't reflow unexpectedly. If collaboration is needed, share via OneDrive or Google Drive with explicit edit permissions. If formatting breaks, switch to compatibility mode, use Paste Special to keep source formatting, or reapply styles from the style pane. One key troubleshooting tip. If fonts are missing, install the needed fonts or substitute with similar system fonts to restore layout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.